It's 16 hours.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening. And congrats for the wonderful session which you had yesterday.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I came to
It
know
was
that
really successful.
was good. Very good. Okay. Excellent. So I always feel that having a meeting on Zoom is better. It's convenient.
Convenient for everyone to join.
Yes, yes. Good evening, Anmol. And congrats. You have also done wonders in your field.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. I have seen many photos of yours doing all good things.
Yes, sir. And you are also responsible for this.
That's all. Means if you do good, that's my biggest achievement. Okay. So we will just wait for 2-3 minutes more and then we will start.
Okay.
So, Garima ma'am, you please plan. So first 20 minutes, I will take through that book which I discussed with you, Catalyst by Chandramouli Venkateshan. And then last 20 minutes, we can go for some communication activities. As usual, you are champion in that. So plan something for that activity and then we will finish. So because it's a 40-minute session, free Zoom is only 40 minutes. So we will finish in 40 minutes. So log out and then again log in. It doesn't look good. So we'll start at 5 minutes past 4 and we'll finish at 4:40.
Sure. I think 4 and 5. 5 of us are here.
5 is a very good number. Out of 20, 5 is a very good number. So one thing is that we have got 2 members, Ranjit sir and Roshan sir. Both are super enthusiasts. That's something great.
Yes, yes.
They are not missing any offline class or online class. We are looking for members like this only. If we have like this 50 members, our work is done.
Exactly. And only when we are regular, then only we will improve. Just attending 1 or 2 sessions in between and getting motivated for 1 session and again discontinuing for 3-4 sessions, that will not improve us.
So true. The simple rule of any group Zoom meeting is audible. A little bit in between, there's a net problem, but it's okay. So the simple rule is that keep your camera on and keep your audio off. When you are speaking, then both camera also on and audio also on. Otherwise, keep your audio on mute. This is also one learning, how to handle Zoom group meetings. Okay, I think now we should start. I can see everyone except there's one login with 11X3STGFK7CW. I don't know who is that. The name is not there. Otherwise, rest all I can identify. Fine. So, good evening, everyone, and welcome to, I believe this is the 30th session of our Teachers Ki Pathshala, now Meraki Sapiens Club. And The purpose of this club is again very simple and very straight, which I keep on repeating. That is to develop oneself and also to develop our network, to know more people, to interact with more people, to learn something from them, to influence them. That is the purpose of this this munch. If my voice is not clear, it means that there is some problem in the network, internet, and we cannot do something about that. So we have to manage anyhow. Now I was discussing about this book called Catalyst. This book is by a person called Chandramouli Venkatesan, and he was he has worked in many companies, and once he was the CEO of Cadbury's, Mondelez. Mondelez is the new name of Cadbury's. It's a big company. He also worked with Asian Paints, Pidilite, and Onida. And he has written this book. He was also HR head in few companies. So this book he has written, Catalyst, means as an individual without any external force, with the help of your internal motivation, intrinsic motivation, how you can become a successful person. And he has given some tips. I'm going to discuss with you few tips from this book, right? The first thing he is telling is real individual growth. So let me do one thing. Let me type it also so that this will be recorded, because this overall meeting is getting recorded and you can remember this. Real individual growth. And the detail of this point is what you are earning, in what position you are, in which city you live, how is your family. Nothing matters in a long run. What matters is that how you are growing yourself. I am talking in terms of being a successful person. Number one thing is that I have to check myself every day. Am I growing every day? Right? Like if you see Android is started with 1.0, then 2.0, 3.0. So Android is growing. And if you see compared to version of Android, you will find that this version is better than the old one. Similarly, we have to check ourselves. Are we a better version of ourselves today in comparison to yesterday? I think point बहुत clear है. हर दिन चेक करना है कि क्या हम अपने कल से आज बेहतर हैं. In any terms, हमारा जो ग्राफ है डेवलपमेंट का वो ऐसा अप जा रहा है कि नहीं जा रहा. That is number one. Real individual growth. बाकी एज बढ़ रहा है, सैलरी बढ़ रही है, वो सब चीजें तो होती रहेंगी. बट मेरा अपना पर्सनल ग्रोथ है कि नहीं है, that is the number one thing which we have to keep in mind. Second point he is telling is maximizing learning cycles. We have limited time, we have limited energy, so we have to maximize our learning cycle. Learning cycle means I can learn with the help of discussion, I can learn with the help of watching a video, I can learn with the help of reading a book, I can learn with the help of attending a session. So I have to see that in the entire day, I will do multiple things to learn something new. Like I have read a book, I have met someone, I have attended the session of Meraki Sapiens, I have watched a very nice video on YouTube. So every day I am doing multiple things to learn because time is limited. We have to keep on learning, keep on improving ourselves. That's maximizing learning cycles. And the best way to learn is to come in a group. That's the reason we have established this platform. Number 3, improve personal productivity. Improve personal productivity. So what is the difference between two individuals? One is here on top, one is here down. The difference is that both are working for 24 hours, means both are having a time of 24 hours every day. But how is the productivity? How much work we can do in those limited times? That is very important. So how to improve your productivity? How to do not hard work, but smart work. So we have to learn how to finish my works in a less time, and how to do multiple works in limited time. If I say that I have so much of work, I have limited time, it's okay. Everyone is having same number of hours, but we have to improve our personal productivity. Means learn how to complete my work in less time, so that I can take up another work. Number 4 is win where it matters. So many times we indulge in discussion, in argument, in proving that I am right, in proving that the person who is talking to me is wrong. If you want to be successful, if we want to be successful, we have to start doing discussion, argument only at those places where it matters. Do not involve in petty things. Do not involve yourself in petty arguments. If it is not required for your success, for your growth, avoid it. And one nice example I read somewhere, that what happened, once there was a race planned between dogs, and they put one cheetah there. Means in the cage there were 3, 4, 5 dogs, wild dogs, and with those dogs there was also one cheetah. They opened the gate at one go, and they tried to see how fast they can run, and they all were sure that cheetah is going to run and win the race. But what happened, when they opened the gate, all dogs, they started running. That cheetah did not move. Now we all don't know why that cheetah did not move. He was not in a mood, he was not feeling well, but that particular incident, it gave one insight. That cheetah was thinking, why I should compare myself with these dogs and run? If I will win among these dogs, what I will get? It means winning at this point of time is not worthy. It's worthless. So he did not run. So whenever you are competing, whenever you are doing some discussion, always think, should I fight with, should I compete with these people? If not, just move from there. Do not waste your time and energy in those winnings. It's of no use. Number 5. First half is the catalyst. Now, this is very important for a person like me. I am 46. I am 46. So generally we feel that 70 years is max. We can live our life in a healthy way, in a nice way. After 70, we get so many problems, and then we become a bit, you can say, slow, or I can say not so active to do our things. So if I see 70 years of active life, then what you do in first 35 years is the catalyst for next 35 years. It means if first 35 years you are active, you are agile, you have done so many things, those 35 years are going to push you for the next 35 years. Or if you are working for 75 years, 76 years, first half of your life is so important, because if you have not done anything in first half, it's very tough to motivate yourself, charge yourself in the second half. So all the young ones who are near 30s or 20s, please strive hard, please run hard, because what you will do in these 20-30 years, they are going to motivate you for the rest of your life. Last 2 points. Number 6 is, number 6 is done. Next one is bosses and mentors are catalyst. Whenever you have joined a school, a college, a company, any organization, any institution, always look for a boss, a mentor who can work as a catalyst, who can charge you, who can motivate you. If it is not there in your school, in your college, find. Be in connection on telephone. Be in touch with WhatsApp or email, whatever possible. But always be in touch with someone who is your guide and mentor, and he is excellent in motivating you, in charging you. He is your catalyst. Do not leave him. I always say my students or my teachers also, we all should have one person in our life जिसको हमने बोला कि today I have achieved this, and he should start dancing. Wow, what achievement, you have done great. Means जो हमारी खुशी में पागल हो जाए, अगर हमारे पास इस तरह का मेंटोर है, एक ऐसा बॉस है, एक ऐसा कोई एल्डर पर्सन हमारे लाइफ में है, फैंटास्टिक. सिर्फ उसको खुश देखने के लिए I will keep on achieving, I keep on achieving, right? Number 7, the last one, honesty and humility. These are also catalyst. Honesty means whatever I am doing, I am honest. अगर मैं पढ़ने बैठ रहा हूं तो I am honest. आधे घंटे पढ़ूंगा but I will study properly. Whatever I am promising to someone, I am fulfilling that. अगर मैं ये काम नहीं कर सकता और इसे सॉरी सर, मुझे माफ कर दीजिए, मुझसे काम नहीं होगा. But whatever I promise, whatever I commit to myself, to someone else, I am honest. I complete that. If I fail to do that, I say sorry. I take my ears and I twist my ears, right? But I am honest. And second is humility. कितना भी ऊपर चला जाऊं, कुछ भी gain कर लूं, but always down to earth, always humble. If you are honest and you are having humility, you will be always finding a charge in your life. So once again, I will just go through these 7 one by one in a fast way, and then I will hand over to Garima ma'am. Real individual growth. The important thing in life is that what is my growth? What is my individual growth? Okay, rest everything is okay, is normal, but this is what going to count. How I have grown myself in terms of physical, mental, emotional, financial, all these growth are important. Maximize learning cycles in 24 hours. How many cycles I can activate for learning new things? Whatever I am doing, can I complete my work in a less time? Because I have to increase my productivity. I will always win there where it matters. Otherwise, I will not involve myself in petty things, petty discussions. And the first half, I have to run fast, work hard, because if I will achieve something in first half, that is going to work as a catalyst in the next half. I have to find out someone in my life who is a catalyst, who is a great mentor, always pushing me, always motivating me, always charging me. And whatever I achieve in my life, I'm always going to be honest and full of humility. So these 7 things, if we have in ourselves, we are going to feel energy coming in. We are going to become successful, and we are going to feel the presence of catalyst in our life. Now, one question to all of you. I think maybe Anmol, I have discussed this thing. What is the meaning of catalyst? What is the role of catalyst?
Sir, catalyst is a substance जो हम लोग के किसी भी रिएक्शन के रेट को फास्ट कर देता है विदाउट पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन दैट. मतलब बिना पार्टिसिपेट किए हुए उसको रिएक्शन को बढ़ा देता है.
एक्सीलेंट, एक्सीलेंट. इसका मतलब सिंपल हुआ कि अंत में करना तो मुझे ही है. अपनी लाइफ में अगर मुझे आगे बढ़ना है, then all efforts I have to make. But I need someone who is not going to involve in my life, but from side, he is going to push me. He is going to catalyze my activities, my functions, my life. So that's the book about Catalyst by Chandramouli Venkateshan. I think everything is recorded, so you can refer afterwards also. Now we will move to, exact 20 minutes. Now to Garima ma'am.
Okay, so very good evening to everyone. I think we are 4 of us are here. Who is the 5th one? Can you switch on your video or audio anything and introduce yourself? Somebody has joined with audio video.
Maybe he is a new one and he is not so familiar with Zoom, so kept silent.
But
Let me push him. Let me push him to switch on the video if he does. In the meantime, you can continue.
Yeah. Okay. So in today's session, because this is the session for spoken English, and all the people who are already speaking, they should speak less, and the people who are listening, they should speak more in this session. So the structure is such that we will start a story, and the story will end at some point. The other person has to start from that point, and it will go on. Okay.
Wonderful.
I hope everyone have understood. So let the story start like this. So I was sleeping, and
do one thing, ma'am, just to stop you. You make the chain also. First you will start, then who will go second, then who will go next. Then
so only 4 of us here. So after me, maybe Roshan sir, then Anmol ma'am, and then Dheeraj sir.
Okay, fine.
The 5th person, if that
if he switches on the camera.
Okay. So after me, Roshan sir will continue the story.
Okay.
Okay. So one day I got tired and I slept early. The whole day I was busy with my work. There was heavy rain in the city. Everywhere water was there. And when I slept in my dreams, because for so many days it was raining and I just wanted a fresh day. So in my dreams, I started moving on the sand, and the sun rays was shining very brightly. There were some birds also in the sky. And as I kept on moving, suddenly someone put his hand on my shoulder. I got shocked. Who is there? Next, Roshan sir. We can continue this chain. Roshan sir, did you get अभी क्या करना है?
Unmute and speak.
Good morning, sir. All of you.
At least 3-4 sentences you have to add so that in this story some scene changes. Some random thing, anything can happen in this story.
Okay. I am very tired, but according to William Shakespeare said, all the world is a stage, and all human play a role this stage. In this way, we are active or activity and work on the stage. Then I will prepare, and every work you can do. You like it? Have you interest in any object, any work? You can do it.
No. This was not expected. The thing is that the story went कि I was moving on the sand. It means any one of us who is speaking, and suddenly one hand came on your shoulder. Then what happened? From here you have to start the story. Creativity.
We can give him more time, and then Anmol can, in the meanwhile, can start.
I was very shocked that moment. That who is this? Like, I was very shocked. So suddenly I felt that he's one of my friends behind me, and I thought after a long time I met him. So I said, "Hello, how's you? How's your life going?" I am very surprised after seeing you. So, what's going on? Tell me something about you. So, he said, I'm going to my cousin home. So, I thought to meet you. So, I met you. So, I said, okay, sit with me and have some coffee, have some biscuits, and we will talk about our future plans and something about my work. So he said, okay, we will talk later, but firstly, we should talk about our school days stories and all. So, so we have missed all that memories together, and we shared a lot about our present moments, what he is doing, what I have to do next next day, what is my plan. So we shared a lot, and suddenly my mood has changed, and I feel very good after talking to him. I was not feeling good that time, but after a long time, I felt so fresh after talking to him. I felt that um, I was something missed. I missed something, but after talking to him, I remind everything, each and everything of my past, and I was very
Nice.
fresh that moment. So
Nice.
that's my point. Now continue, dear sir.
Roshan sir, are you going to continue or? Acha,
Unmute, sir. you
Next
have to
time, sir.
unmute.
next
Next
time.
time.
Just next time में गाड़ी निकल जाती है. Okay, fine.
अरे रोशन सर एनीथिंग यू कैन से जैसे कि और शुड वी स्टार्ट इसको थोड़ा सा हिंदी में भी करना बिकॉज
I think mix कर सकते हैं. हाँ, you can do mixing for Roshan sir.
Started the other teacher, then I have some time.
Okay,
Few
okay,
minutes.
okay.
okay next he will say means after Dheeraj sir I will say then Roshan sir
Then, okay. So meeting my old friend after so long was really a very you can say gentle pat on my life in my life, and we all talked for a very long time. We discussed about our childhood activities, our school time, and then all of a sudden we remember that tomorrow is a day when we have to go back to our job, and that's it. The moment we remember that tomorrow is Monday and we have to resume our office, then all our memories, it got shattered, and we again started thinking about the life, the race of life. We have to do this and that, and then we sat for a long time not talking and just thinking how our life had changed, how simple, how nice, how subtle it was when we were a child, and how we have got stuck in a rat race. And then after a lot of thinking, both of us took a decision that we are not going to be a part of rat race. We will do something in which we are owner of our life. From morning to night, whatever we will do what pleases us. Okay, which is going to give us some meaning of life, some happiness in our life. And then both of us, we prepared a plan. We thought of becoming an entrepreneur. And with that project, after a lot of discussion, we departed from that place with a very happy note that from tomorrow, we are going to resign from our job and we are going to start a new era of our life. Right? And this new era of life is going to be interesting. What is that new project, that new enterprise? That is a surprise.
surprise to Roshan sir will you
He is still surprised. रोशन सर देखिए, अगर आपको हिंदी में बोलना है आप हिंदी में बोलिए, बट बोलना जरूरी है, बोलना जरूरी है.
कुछ भी बोलिए ना, कुछ भी बोलिए.
Then I entered the classroom in school. Then I surprised the all student watch me. We know that the teacher is a role model. Firstly, I will watch the circumstance in the classroom. After this, I take a topic and write the topic on the whiteboard. and I want to take the opinion on all students. And then I start the classroom step by step, and I gave the lecture on the topic, and at last I gave some homework
16:30.
and concluded the class. Okay, that's all.
Okay.
Good.
So as I shared my this surprising entrepreneurship idea to the other person,
Yes.
he said, no, this is the regular thing only. What new is there in this? Then we decided, okay, let's see. First thing we'll do, we will both of us will resign, because we had already decided that we will resign, although we were not sure what would be the plan, but we had decided that we will be masters of our lives. So both of us, we went to our respective offices, both of us resigned, and it was a very sunny day. We returned back to the same place, and again it started raining, and suddenly my eyes got open. So my mother threw a glass of water on my face, and she was saying, now you have to get up, it's already morning, because the whole story was moving in the dreams. So like this, I would like to conclude. This story can, as we go on like this, our spoken English will improve a lot. And for that, if we have, we don't have to stick to the traditional or general things that regularly happens in our life. We can bring animals, we can bring fairy, princess, anything in those talking. When we will start doing this more and more times, then we'll see that our emotions also comes with the structure that we frame in the sentences. Then only our spoken English will improve. And I think these sessions, even if you are able to speak 1-2 sentences, that also is improving you. So Roshan sir, it is very good that every time you are joining, and every time you speak 1 or 2 sentences, whatever you are speaking, and I'm sure that if you continue like this also, your English will improve for sure, your confidence will improve for sure. And Anmol, you are already doing great job. Just practicing these things will give us a platform where at least we can share whatever we want to share. We can speak continuously for 10 minutes or 20 minutes. That is enough for spoken English classes, I think. What do you think, sir?
Today I had a session. I think let me share with you. 1 minute. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this thing I have started from today itself. Now this is going in 2 parts. One is happening with all my students who are part of my online class. And today we had our first class at 1 p.m. today. And the youngest one was in class 3, and the oldest one was of graduation part 2 or part 3. This was the I can say list of participants: class 3, class 5, class 8, class 10, graduation and all. And the boy of class 4, he was not speaking. He was listening. I was not pushing anyone. I was just reminding everyone has to speak. Everyone has to speak. At last, that boy also spoke for about 1 minute. And that was a wonderful thing. So Roshan sir, I will post that video on YouTube. I will share with you. You can see a girl of class 3, a boy of class 4. They are also struggling, and anyhow they are speaking 4 lines, 5 lines. So what you are doing is you are on the right track. This is going to work. And the next thing which I want to discuss with all of you is that this is also going to start from maybe from next Sunday, that I will invite anyone, means myself and one more person, and we will do a discussion for maybe from 20 minutes to 40 minutes max. Any one topic, both of us will discuss, and I will post that video on YouTube. Simple. We can choose any one topic of our mutual interest. So basically my purpose is that if we all are great in communication, we can break any barrier. Now maybe Anmol she has gone to Patna and she has worked in different capacity. She must be observing. Not Hindi, not
Yes,
English.
sir.
Language is okay, because in Bihar, if you are speaking in Hindi also, it's fine. But if your communication is good, you are able to convince someone who is in front of you, your work is done. Okay, so I am not going to leave this. I am going to keep on coming and pushing you to improve your communication. Ma'am also is doing wonderful thing. This story, it can go for hours and hours. And if you can continue like this, automatically your communication is going to be great. Fine. So on this master class, ma'am, you can also plan a topic, and then we can join any one Sunday. So anyone can join, and even Anmol can join if you have a topic in your mind. So basically, it's a 20 minutes discussion between both of us, like how we see in on television or on YouTube. Two persons, they came together, they talk on a topic, that's it, finished. And then we can post that on YouTube. So basically, if two of us, we are talking together for 20 minutes in English, and then we are having the dare to post that video on YouTube so that everyone can watch, fantastic. Without editing. In my video, there is no editing. Like in big speakers, they can do some editing. This portion is out, this portion is in, this, that, no editing. What we have talked, it is on YouTube. That's it. We are like this. We are not Shashi Tharoor.
Yes.
Are not Shashi Tharoor. We are simple Indians who are trying to make ourselves better. That's it. Nothing else. Right? So we have last 3 minutes.
Self-motivation.
Correct. We have last 3 minutes. Any more point? Any more point which we want to highlight? So this is going on, and what else? This club will, I think, in this month, I think we will establish this club also for sure. And now we are going to make 3 sections of this club: one for teachers, one for students who can come and attend, and one for parents also. 3 wings. The best part is that all the what we say, all the owners of education, who all are the owners? Teachers, students, and parents. All of them, they will come together and they will work together to make education better. That's it, nothing else. So this club is going to become a landmark, and I'm sure that with the help of you people, we are going to do great things in coming days. Yes, Roshan sir?
Definitely, sir. Definitely.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Fine. So I think if we don't have anything else to discuss, thank you very much for coming. And we will meet again on 10th of October. If weather is good, I think that by the time weather will be good. So we will meet offline at Deja Vu School. Thanks once again. I think good day. Bye-bye. Take care.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.